Hi, boys and girls. So these two next pages are pretty simple. I'm going to just explain what to do. So you see these two pictures? Okay. You got to circle the object that is heavier. What do you think is heavier? A watermelon or an apple? Awesome. If you said watermelon, you are correct. What about over here? A balloon or a pumpkin? Awesome, a pumpkin. So you're going to do the same for the next objects. Now remember to circle the object that is heavier. Okay? Now on the next page is exactly the opposite. You got to circle the one that is lighter. So look at this bag of potatoes and the apple. Which one is lighter? Awesome. So you're going to circle the apple. A bag of bread or a watermelon? Awesome. So you're going to circle the bread. Now this side is lighter, page 161. And this side is heavier, page 160. Okay, and then the following page, which is the last page on weight, you're going to draw an object that is heavier than an empty backpack. And you're going to draw something else that is lighter than an empty backpack. Okay, so you are comparing weights. Now, what's most important about this whole lesson is just understanding what heavy means and what light means, and then understanding what is heavier and what is lighter when you are comparing objects to one another. Okay, now I just want to give you a heads up. For next week, I'm going to be skipping around. So I'm going to give you a little bit of what's to come. So I'm going to skip for the following week all the way to lesson 30. Okay? And we're going to do lesson 30, and we're going to focus on lesson 30, all of lesson 30, all of lesson 31. And then we're going to leave the rest, 32, and the other ones for you to work on your own. These are skills that we already kind of did in class. Like we already talked about sorting objects. We kind of focused on that quite a bit. And we already talked about the different shapes and sorting the objects by color and size. And then, so I'm going to jump right into the different shapes. We already did the basic shapes like the circle, triangle, rectangle, square. Now we're going to get into the different shapes like a cylinder. Yeah, so we're going to talk about all of this. Okay, that's going to be our next lesson next week. Okay, have fun.